Look at me, I'm bicycling. Now I'm electric bicycling. Hi, my name's Norman, and I think Living Social are a bunch of yellow belly rat bastards. The reality is I don't know those guys, and they're probably decent people. What I do know is a small business, that their business model makes it hard for people like me. I got a freaking cool product to sell, but if I want them to help me sell the product, what do I gotta do? One, I gotta cut the price in half. After I do that, they go out and sell a bunch, they get half, I get half. Not a great way to try to make a living. So I was sitting around the other day, eating moose chili, drinking homebrew with some friends, and I came up with the concept of the Meepon. And what's the Meepon? Very simply, it's me deciding to offer a great deal on my freaking cool product and try to sell it directly to people using social media. And what is the product I have that I think is so freaking cool? It is the 5 Lighthouse Electric Bike Tour. The 5 Lighthouse Electric Bike Tour is a half-day bike tour in and around Portland, Maine. What's an electric bike? Well, an electric bike looks like a bike, and I can ride it like a bike. I can get on my electric bike, and I can pedal it all day long. But if I decide I need to go a little faster, I want to go a little bit faster, I don't feel like biking up hills, I can engage the electric motor, and it can propel me along. It is a fun and green way to experience an area. So what do you get to see and do on the 5 Lighthouse Electric Bike Tour? Well, one, you get to bike along the coast of Maine. The coast of Maine is beautiful. Even on a windy April morning like this, it's a wonderful place to be. Of course, as the name suggests, we're going to show you 5 lighthouses. Here's one of them right here, the famous Portland Headlight. Along the way, we're going to stop and we're going to feed you Portland's best lobster roll overlooking the ocean. So, my 5 Lighthouse Electric Bike Tour is normally $125 a person. Through the Meepon, I'm selling it for half off, $62.50 directly to people. If you like the coast of Maine, if you like lighthouses, you like lobster, or you want to experience any of these things, why not buy one? Because I guarantee that you will have a wonderful time cycling with us. So go out and buy it. If you know somebody who likes lighthouses or lobster or any of these things, why not share this video with them via email or social media? I really have 3 simple goals. 1, I want to make a living doing what I love. 2, I want to share the beauty of Maine with people. And 3, I want this Meepon idea to work. I want to sell 250 of them in the next 5 days. They're available right now on our website, summerfeet.net.